Hi, I'm Angelina with Quality Sewing Vacuum, and today I would like to talk to you about our favorite new machine, the Viking Onyx 30. The Viking Onyx 30 is a great machine for the beginning or experienced sewist or crafters. It includes over 150 stitches, including 2 font sets and 9 different buttonholes. It has a built-in stitch guide to help you select from over 9 different feet to find the right foot to go with the stitch that you want. Here's our included stitch guide, which is going to show you all of the stitches this machine has to offer. She's a beautiful, quiet machine. Let me show you how well she sews. We've got our all-purpose foot on here. You'll notice it's got a nice, convenient drop-in bobbin. I'm going to put my presser foot down, and she's off. Now she's at kind of a medium speed right now, which I can go a little slower if I prefer, or you can be off to the races. When I get to the end of my seam, I'm just going to select my automatic thread cutter, and voila, no muss, no fuss, no mess anywhere. Love that feature. This machine comes with 8 included presser feet, but 2 of those feet are ones that don't come standard with machines in this price range normally. It's such a great value. You have the regular sewing foot, the blind hem foot, the overcasting foot, your decorative stitch foot, a 1-step buttonhole, the zipper foot, and the 1/4-inch piecing foot for quilting, and the non-stick foot. That's great for sewing materials that normally stick to the back of feet, like vinyl or cork or leather. If you're a quilter, you always want to make sure you're getting that great 1/4-inch seam, right? Well, the 1/4-inch foot is included. Slides easily on here, and now we can piece perfectly. Got an automatic back stitch. Look at these beautiful stitches. And if you're a sewist who works with heavy materials, like denim, this machine has great puncture power. It can go through a lot of layers. I can change my needle position and my stitch width or length right here with these convenient buttons. Now, if we were going through jeans, we're just going to top stitch it like we normally would. And it can go from thick material to lightweight material like tricot effortlessly. Look at these perfect stitches. Doesn't it just inspire you to want to sew more? The Viking Onyx 30 has over 6 inches of throat space in the harp, so it's got plenty of space for all of your creative projects. The Viking Onyx 30 has the best ease of use features you can find, including a needle threader. You just pull this down, loop the thread underneath, grabs it, goes through, and look, your needle is threaded. Little thread cutter on the side so the thread's at the perfect length. It also has automatic needle up and down on the front of the machine, speed control, and a sewist's favorite feature, the automatic thread cutter. So if you think the Viking Onyx 30 is the perfect addition to your sewing space, order one online today at qualitysewing.com or stop by any of our Washington State locations.